Tired of forgetting to move money between your accounts? Or maybe you just want to automate your savings without thinking about it. What if you could set up a system that handles it all for you, so your money is always in the right place at the right time? You can, and it's simpler than you think, especially with BrioDirect. Today, we're going to walk through exactly how to set up auto transfers so you can build your savings, pay down debt, or just manage your money more efficiently without lifting a finger. First things first, log into your BrioDirect account. Once you're in, navigate to the main menu. You'll want to look for an option that says something like transfers or payments. Click on that, and you'll see a few different options. We're interested in the one for scheduled or recurring transfers. Next, you'll need to specify the source and destination accounts. This is where you tell the system which account the money is coming from and which account it's going to. This could be moving money from your checking account into your high-yield savings account or from savings to pay a BrioDirect loan. After that, you'll set the amount. How much do you want to transfer each time? This is a great way to use the pay yourself first method. Just set a fixed amount to automatically transfer to your savings every payday. Now for the schedule. This is the magic part. You can choose how often you want this to happen. Daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. You also get to pick the specific date. For example, you might set up a transfer for the 15th of every month, right after you get paid. You can also specify an end date for the transfers, or choose for them to continue indefinitely. Once you've got all the details set, the accounts, the amount, and the schedule, just review everything to make sure it's correct. Hit confirm or submit, and you're all set. BrioDirect will now handle these transfers automatically, giving you one less thing to worry about. It's a powerful tool for building financial discipline without the constant effort. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.